Hello Flutterlings, welcome back to our Flutter tutorial series. Today, we will be diving deep into the essential layout widgets, column and row. These widgets are the building blocks of organizing and aligning other widgets within your app's user interface. By the end of this video, you will have a deep understanding of how to use column and row effectively in your own projects. Let's get started. In Flutter, column and row are both derived from the Flex class, which is a low-level widget used to build flexible, linear layouts. Column arranges its children vertically while row arranges them horizontally. Both widgets automatically size themselves to fit their children, but they can also be considered by their parent widgets, such as containers or boxes. Here we can see how column stacks its children vertically and row arranges its children horizontally. To get started with column and row, let's create a new Flutter project and add some column and row widget to our main.dart file inside the scaffold widget. In this example, we have created a stateless widget called My Home Page. Inside the build method, we have returned a scaffold widget with an app bar and a body containing a column with two row widget as children. Column and row widgets offer several properties to control the alignment and distribution of their children along the main axis. The main axis for a column is vertical, while for a row, it's horizontal. Let's explore some of these properties. Main axis alignment. The main axis alignment property determines how children are aligned along the main axis. Main axis alignment offers several options such as start and center, space between, space around, and space evenly. Here we can see how different main axis alignment values affect the alignment and distribution of the children. In this example, we have set main axis alignment property of a row widget to main axis alignment dot space between, which distributes its children evenly along the main axis with equal space between them. Main axis size. The main axis size property determines the size of the main axis. It can be set to either main axis size.min or main axis size.max. In this example, we have set the main axis property of a row widget to main axis size.min, which shrinks the main axis to fit the children tightly. Column and row widgets also offer properties to control the alignment of their children along the cross-axis. The cross-axis of the column is horizontal, while for row it's vertical. Let's explore these properties. Cross-axis alignment. The cross-axis alignment property determines how children are aligned along the cross-axis. Cross-axis alignment offers options such as start, end, center, and stretch. Here we can see how different cross-axis alignment values affect the alignment of the children. In this example, we have set the cross-axis alignment property of a row widget to cross-axis alignment.center, which centers the children along the cross-axis. Text baseline. The text baseline property is useful when you have text widget as children with different font sizes. It aligns the text widget along the given text baseline, such as an alphabetic or ideographic. In this example, we have set the cross-axis alignment property of a row widget to cross-axis alignment.baseline and the text baseline property to text baseline.alphabetic. This aligns the text widget along the alphabetic baseline. And there you have it. You now have solid understanding of column and row in Flutter, along with their essential properties and alignment options. Be sure to experiment with column and row in your own projects, and don't forget to consult the official Flutter documentation for the latest updates and features. Thank you for watching our column and row tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more Flutter content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help you out. Happy coding and see you in the next tutorial.